The internet is a powerful tool for problem solving in both life and work. To effectively use it, start by defining your problem clearly. What specific information do you need? Once you know that, you can use search engines to find relevant resources. When searching, choose your keywords wisely. Use terms that directly relate to your issue and consider using quotation marks for exact phrases. As you browse through search results, evaluate the credibility of the sources. Look for information from reputable websites, such as government, educational, or recognised industry sites. Once you find useful information, take notes and organise it to help you understand and apply what you've learned. Don't forget to refine your search too if the results aren't meeting your needs. Remember, the ability to find accurate information online empowers you to tackle challenges efficiently and effectively.